Today, guys, we're going to be showing you how you can see who has viewed your TikTok profile. It's actually quite straightforward, but you do have to turn on a setting first. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok app. Once you've got TikTok open, we need to navigate to our profile, which is in the bottom right-hand corner on an iPhone, very similar to an Android device. When you click on your profile, you're going to be loaded with this. The first thing you should see are all of your videos that you've uploaded if you have any. In this case, I do not. And then what we want to do is want to navigate to the very top where we can see there's three different icons. You've got the hamburger option in the top right-hand corner. You then got a share icon with an arrow pointing, and then you've got 2 feet right up there. If you click on those 2 feet, that's going to load you into this section right here. Now, if this is the first time you've seen this, then you're going to be presented with this particular screen right here. However, if you've already got this on, you're just going to be seeing all the people who have viewed your profile right there. In this particular case, I have to turn this setting on first. If I click turn on, that's essentially going to allow me now to see anyone who views my profile as long as they have this setting turned on. Of course, you can turn it off by hitting the little gear icon at the top and then toggling that icon off, and then you'll go right back to this setting here where it is switched off. And that's it. That's essentially how you would be able to see who has viewed your profile. But you do need to make sure that that setting is on. If this works for you, let me know. If any issues, let me know in the comment section down below. But smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.